Hi, I'm Lenny from GrainKing, and here we have the GrainKing MultiBin. As we all know, great and affordable seeding device, and also doubles up as a chaser bin for harvest. We have a dividing wall split in the bin from north-south, which we can put cereal in one side and fertiliser in the other. It has a radioed remote handheld device which you can flick between your sweep augers. It has two sweep augers full length in either side of the bin. We have a hydraulic controlled sweep augers and a PDO discharge auger, 18-inch discharge auger. We have a clean out system here, which when you're swapping between cereal and fertiliser, simply clean this out and you're good to go. This bin's equipped with a tandem suspension. It has brakes on all four wheels. We have the flotation tyre, 30.5-32 is the standard on this bin. It has a rear steering axle, which is easy locked out for high-speed transport and reversing the bin. As I said before, it's fully suspended. Heavy duty leaf springs here. We have full length clean out doors on the bin. We have the flow adjustment here for the augers, auger cover flow adjustment. Heavy duty roll tarp to keep the weather out. We have the GrainKing MultiBin here, which is getting delivered to Boekemans machinery today. And if you order this bin, it will come with a free esky here. Great for the beers.